In this video, I'm going to talk about Net Promoter Score. Now, what is NPS? NPS is a measure used to predict customer loyalty. It is also used to understand the satisfaction and enthusiasm within a company. Now, it's kind of a market research metrics, that's based on a single survey question. So basically, the process involves setting up a survey and sending out those survey to your customer to understand or gauge customer loyalty. Okay. Now, what is customer loyalty? Customer loyalty means repeat business, continuation of service, continuity in product consumption, or overall satisfaction. So basically, if you want to understand where you lie within the customer loyalty space, do an NPS and check. Now, NPS, it's kind of a range between 1 to 10. The most likely question within NPS is how likely are you to recommend this product or service or company to a friend or a colleague? Now, NPS assumes a subdivision of respondents. So you can send out the survey to your customers, and then you can collate those responses, and then you can categorize those responses based on promoters, passives, and detractors. So, once you raise out a question like how likely are you to recommend this product or service or company to a friend or a colleague, if in a range of 1 to 10, if the customer responds, and if customer has rated you 9 to 10, then that customer is your promoter. If the customer has rated you between 7 to 8, that customer is passive. And if the customer has rated you 6 or below, then that customer is a detractors. Now there is a significant pattern being like generated out of the survey responses. Okay. Now it also depends on how you distribute your survey, to whom you distribute the survey, so that all things will take into consideration while assessing the NPS result. Now the result of NPS is an integer value. Detractors tend to remain with the company, whereas passives tend to leave for most of the cases. NPS scores, as per definition, ranges from minus 100 to plus 100. Now, what is the formula to calculate NPS is number of promoters minus number of detractors divided by the number of respondents. So, take for example, if you send out a survey to say 100 people, so number of respondent would be 100, and out of that 76 has given you a rating of 9 to 10. So then your number of promoters is 76. And if the number of detractors who has given you a rating between uh, say 0 to 6, then the other number of detractors will be say 24. So 76 minus 24 would be that answer, uh, on basis of this NPS formula calculation. Now, the three classification based on the ratings are promoters. Now, rating 9 to 10, they are loyal and committed. They can promote your brand. So they want your brand to grow. They want to work with you. They want to further strengthen the relationship with you. So you need to focus on these promoters. Okay. Passives are the people who have given you a rating between 7 to 8. They are technically not used for NPS calculations. And a significant observation based on all the previous historical statistics is that they have a high chance of leaving business. So watch out for these passives, because these passives, although they have given you a good rating, I would say, but still there is a chances that they might start looking out for someone else in the market. Detractors, these are from rating 0 to 6. They require proactive outreach. They will remain with the company because I believe the detractors may not have any other options, or they might have not sorted any other option. And they are just like kind of a fence sitters people. And then they would like to, like continue the service. However, they are not satisfied with your service or product. So maybe a proactive campaign may help you in converting those detractors into promoters. So that's it, folks. This is all about Net Promoter Score. Thanks for watching.